Jack. You want to try some more? You're not supposed to use your hand. You're supposed to go in with the spoon. What are you doing? I know, it's so yum. Ready? There you go. You got it. Is it yummy? Yeah. Yeah. You gonna tell me about it? Okay, open. You ready for more? Oh, you're gonna help it? Okay. There we go. And out it comes. There you go. Is it yummy? No more? Yeah, what do you think of it? You like it? Is that yummy breakfast? Yeah. Do you want to say something to Grandma and Grandpa? Oh, you want to say bless? Oh, okay, bless you. Oh, you're so happy. You're so happy. Where you going? What are you looking at over there? What's over there? Huh? Jan. What are you staring at? Jack. Oh, there you are. Hi. You want another bite? No? Are you all done? Do you want to hold the spoon? Oh, yeah, that's the fun part. Yeah. Do you want the spoon? Okay. Was that yummy? Was that yummy breakfast? Yeah. Yeah. You need to take a break now? Maybe go chew on your hands? Yeah. Oh, okay. I was tiring. I love you. Good boy.